This is the second of 3 videos that shows you how to make a stop motion animation. In the previous video, we made a bee out of paper, clay, and found objects. Today we are going to make the background. You will need colored paper, poster board, scissors, and glue. I'm using a 14 by 22 poster board, but you can use different material or size because it will be completely covered in paper. For people who are uncomfortable with drawing, I have created printable cutouts you can color. Start by getting light blue paper and gluing it to the top of the poster board to make the sky. Then get green paper and mark how long you need it to be to cover the rest of the poster board. Use a straight edge to make a straight line and cut and glue the paper. Now get the dark blue paper and draw half of the mountains and cut it out. Did you know bee populations have declined because of colony collapse disorder and habitat loss? Flip the paper and mark where the other mountain ends. Draw the other half of the mountains and cut it out. Now glue the mountains over the blue and green paper. Get a light and dark green piece of paper. Cut out various sizes and shapes of blades of grass. Plants are really important to bees because they need them to survive. When you're done with that, glue them to the bottom of the page. Get a brown piece of paper and draw and cut a tree with a few branches. Get the green paper again and draw and cut 3 cloud-like shapes to make the top of the tree. People can try to help bees by planting plants bees like to create more habitat for them to live. Glue all the pieces of your tree together. Get a yellow piece of paper and draw out a small beehive. Glue the beehive to one of the branches of the tree. Now I'm going to show you how to make the flower for your bee. Get a scrap piece of paper and draw out a single petal. Get a white piece of paper and trace the petal you drew to make a full flower. One of the flowers they are attracted to is the daisy, like the one we're making. cut the flower out, trace it, and cut that out. Get a yellow piece of paper and draw out a circle to be the center of the flower. Get a green piece of paper and draw out the stem of the flower with a couple of leaves. Planting native wildflowers can help the native bee populations because they have adapted to them. Glue all the parts of your flower together. Get a white piece of paper and draw out a couple of clouds and cut them out. Glue them onto your sky. Glue just the bottom tip of the stem of the flower to the page because in the next video it will be one of the things I show you how to animate. Now you have a background for your bee to fly around in. Thanks for watching, and remember that you can help bees by creating habitat for them. See you in the next video.